Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to set candle time frame on OlympTrade account. So first of all, launch up an OlympTrade application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here OlympTrade application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see the chart. So changing the candle time frame is actually very simple. Right over here, you can see this kind of icon. You'll be able to find the icon for candlestick. Also, you'll be able to find the time frame that is selected right now. So what you have to do is simply tap on this icon. Now you'll be able to change the candle time frame and chart type over here. In order to change the candle time frame, look for the option candle time frame. You'll be able to find various options for seconds, minutes, hours, months, etc. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here the candle time frame will be changed and you'll be able to see the chart according to the time frame that you select. So that is how you set candle time frame on OlympTrade account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.